Hey guys, I made 550 capsules of moringa. I dried the moringa 5 days ago and I just got a time to finish it tonight. With this machine, this can make 100 capsules and this is what it looks like. Here's the moringa capsule I made tonight. So, if you want to know how I made it, stay tuned. Wash it real good. I'm gonna letting it air dry. I'm gonna be crushing all these dry leaves. So let's go ahead and do this first one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the food processor so I can turn it into really powder. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crush it like this. Look at that. It's almost like I don't even need to blend them or powder them into a machine because it's already very powdery, but I'm still gonna go ahead and do it. I want to make sure that my powder is really fine. Okay, I already crushed this moringa. Let's put that in the food processor. Alright, that should be very fine. Alright, let's do this. So when you make your moringa, do not dry them outside, just dry them naturally inside so the color stays green. If you buy moringa from any online, and if you see if the capsule is like brown, then those are not potent, or I should say it's not as fresh as this one. The moringa should be dark green. So this, with the spring, this is where you put the larger part of the separated empty capsules. I do have the size O empty capsules and this machine is size O, which means O is medium size and my capsule that I purchased is size O, which is smaller, but I can make it work. I have already adjusted to a smaller size so that empty capsule will stand. So let's go ahead and put this thing here. This is for our top empty capsule, and let's put this one like this. Just shake it until they fall into the holes, until we have enough. We got some double up. As you can see, they are double up. So this is the only problem with getting the wrong size capsule. I can make it work though. So they're very hard to see because they are clear. Okay, we fill in both the top empty shells, and if you take a look at the bottom, you see that there. And let's spring it down. Can you see? We have 100 empty capsules in there that are ready to go. Now the top is also done. I'm gonna make it closer so you can see that You can barely see, but it's there. It's there. So that's ready. Now let's go ahead and fill this in with the powder. Let's pour this powder. So this is going to be hard because the capsules are so tiny, so some of this powder might be waste. So there's a lot of powder in the bottom, but it's alright. And tamper the capsule, making sure that they're all filled up. Let's tamper this down again. This is the problem with the smaller ones. Let's see if we can make it work. The cap, and let's put this on top. This is, some of them I can see that it's not working already because some of the pills and capsules are already laying down. Right. Put this in place. Now let's push this down. It looks like it didn't work. All right, let's see. Oh. It didn't work. If you take a look at that one right here, it needs to be pushed. All right. Okay, I can see why it's not working, because there is a lot of capsule down there. It's laying down, it's preventing it from going low. Alright, we have to start all over again. So we made probably just half of the out of 100, so not completely failure. We have some success, but what I need to do, I need to adjust this machine. I'm gonna adjust it into smaller because this is way too tall, and so the capsule tends to just not fit in. This is just too tall. That should work. Let's pour some big gel. Looks fine on the bottom. All right. This one upside down. There's only 3 upside down, which is good indication that we're gonna do better this time. 3. All right, let's see. All right, we all fill it up with gel capsule. All right, now let's fill up the top one, which is this one. And let's put this one. All right. Like I said, this one, since this is going to be at least half of them will be upside down. There it is. So I'm gonna turn off the camera and I'll be back. Okay, let's try again. I have adjusted this height of this spring. Okay. Okay, let's pour the excess back to the bowl. Otherwise, if they lock in, they will fall because they're so tiny. I'm gonna block them first, then let them down, then slide a little bit. That's the trick. Now, lock them in place. Now we are ready to go. I'm hoping this is better this time. All right, let's push this down. No, I guess I have to push it down manually again. The small gelatin size O is just not going to work with the medium size, which is size 00 for the machine, because it's just too big. But we can make it work, just do it manually. Finally done with all this encapsulating my moringa. I had trouble with putting this all together because the machine that I have, it's size 00, and the capsule, the empty gel capsule that I purchased, is size 0. They're not matching. So size 0 is a little bit smaller than size 00. But I made it to work. It's probably about every 100 capsules I destroyed 35 to 40%. So only 60% are viable. So this is what I got, the total of the whole thing. This is probably around 500 pieces, and capsule holder holds 100. And if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.